Hello, welcome to the brief overview of the Syntasa Citizen IT platform. So we like to think about this typically from the perspective of a day in the life of a data analyst doing citizen IT. And so maybe on the first day they're using the platform, they want to use some of the drag and drop capabilities to take some no-code processes, drag them onto the canvas. Maybe they have one for each data source here. They want to combine them into a single merged data source. Very simple to do. And then here we have an example with some mobile data being combined with some profile data. And once they're happy with that merged data file, maybe they want to automate that and put it in production so that it happens on a daily basis. They'll automatically get updates of that merged data every day. Maybe day two, they realize they want to start to add some rules, some business rules. And there's no code capabilities here to basically allow them to do anything that they could do with an if-then statement. So maybe an example of that might be they're working with credit card transaction data and they want to create a higher level category like travel and entertainment. So anytime a transaction has a category like restaurants or travel, airfare, hotel, maybe it gets added to this higher level category. And then also maybe they want to add some alerts. So maybe if they see spending by certain kinds of users, they want to be alerted, or if they want to be, if they see transactions over a certain amount or categories over a certain amount, they want to add some alerts with that. And then maybe they want to start to share these with some colleagues. So they share this with one of their colleagues, sees it, and they think that's interesting. I'd really like to get the same kind of data on an updated basis. They can share these apps with their colleagues so they can start to use the same data sources. Maybe day three, they want to start to look for patterns, maybe move beyond business rules and start to use algorithms, use no-code, low-code, AI machine learning processes to train some models and look for likelihood of certain things happening. And then maybe day four, they become a power user and they start to build some of the processes that are available on the left-hand side of the screenshot that can then be used by other analysts. So this platform has a number of capabilities that help in citizen IT. I talked about the first two, easy to use, speed to action. The second two, open architecture and data independence, are also important. This is not a data platform that's going to take your data and put it into a proprietary format. This is all transparent. It's also cloud native. All the data is available within your private cloud account for you to do with it as you please. So basically, Syntasa is using cloud services to process data on your behalf, but it's not ingesting it into its own system or its own formats. And then the last two are also important from a governance perspective. So expertise propagation is about allowing kind of users to create apps and share them with each other. This enables this self-serve environment that allows sharing, really enables kind of this bottom-up innovation, which can lead to some great career progression. And then it's also important to keep data governance and corporate governance in mind here. So complying with things like your security restrictions or security guidance, showing data lineage, providing a development sandbox where people can experiment with new ideas, and then also a production environment where they can be promoted into production with, assuming that the person promoting it has the rights to do so. All of these enable your users to do their own work and deliver value quickly, while also doing so in a governed way and without relying too much on IT or putting too much of a burden on IT to support them. So very briefly, a little bit more about our company, Syntasa. We have been working in the federal government space and the state and local space and commercial space for a number of years. We work in all the major clouds, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and also importantly, we have existing relationships in the intelligence community already. Our software is C2S, C2E ready. We'll be in AWS C2S Marketplace soon. We have cleared people available for implementation and consulting services. And if you'd like to learn more, you can do so at our website, www.syntasa.com. Thank you.